I recently picked up a 2018 Honda Civic. This has a 1.5 liter turbo motor, which is, I believe, the same as the Civic SI, just not tuned. So I recently purchased a air intake and blow off valve so we can get the fast guy sounds. So we're going to do sounds right now without those installed, and then we'll do the install and then we'll do the after the installed sounds. With the TurboXS hybrid blow valve. Let's go ahead and get these installed. Alright, so the TurboXS hybrid blow valve is going to replace the factory one, which is right here. Right here, this factory blow valve. Doesn't make no noise, so we're going to change that. Alright, so now we're going to do the TurboXS hybrid blow-off valve. Comes with the blow-off valve, silicone hose. This is the banjo fitting for the hose that screws into the blow-off valve there. Comes with 2 zip ties and mounting screws. 3 mounting screws to go there. That's how it's gonna look. Okay. Need some pliers to take the hose clamps off from the tubing to the blow-off valve, the factory blow valve. Hose on. We're going to get these 3 bolts out. So, 8mm. You break the top one loose. The bottom one down here, break that loose, and then the one closest to the firewall, you will need the extension because of clearance issues. Okay, you see like a half moon right there? So we gotta line up this one. So it's gonna go on like this. I need to adjust this nipple. Yeah, look at the difference in size between the two. So instead of using the two zip ties it comes with, I had these clamps that I had purchased online that fit perfectly. So I'm gonna go ahead and add those instead of the zip ties. I'm gonna use the new bolts that it came with. These are size 5 X heads. So my hose clamp that I had laying around did not fit the top, but it did fit closer to the ball top. So I'm gonna run a thicker zip tie up here to hold it in place. Alright, let's get this last one